Building companies going into liquidation can be very complex and multifaceted as to the reasons why. But unfortunately, here in Australia, it's becoming far too common, with more builders expecting to go into liquidation in the coming months. So as small developers who rely on builders, how do we protect ourselves and minimise the risk from this happening? Well, at Kaifu Property, we look at 6 key things when choosing the builder that we decide to work with. Firstly, we only work with builders that have a proven track record. In fact, we've been working with some of our builders for over a decade. So we know the quality of workmanship that gets done and the build quality that come across all of the projects. Number 2, we make sure that they are financial. Every quarter, the builder's accountant has to submit their books and their financials to the Homeowners Warranty Insurance Governing Association. Their books essentially get audited to make sure that they are trading profitably. And of course, if they're not, then they won't be issued the adequate insurances they need to carry out the construction on their projects. Number 3, we strategically align ourselves with major residential builders that specialize in residential building. They stick in their lane. They're not trying to develop high or medium density type of sites. They're not developing commercial or building industrial sheds. They purely focus on the type of product that we need them to deliver on, which is small scale residential development. Number 4, the builders we work with, they agree to our development terms on a retail basis, where most builders will absolutely not. These are things like fixing in the price of contracts for 6 to 12 months from the date of issuing the build contract. It's things like if the builder hits rock, that's their problem. If the cost of materials go up, it's their problem. Labor goes up, their problem. We've also negotiated full liquidated damages into all of our contracts as well. In most retail builders, they'll tell you not possible at all. A huge win for us. Number 5, we ensure that the builders have a vested interest in keeping all of our clients happy, keeping myself and Damien happy so that they can get the next 10 jobs. Essentially, we create a win-win scenario for everybody that's involved. And lastly, I personally invest my hard-earned money in the exact same builders that we recommend to our clients. In fact, the last 10 projects that I've done, I've used the exact same builder that we recommend to our clients and followed the exact same process. So I genuinely put my money where my mouth is. So unfortunately, it's incredibly sad to see a lot of builders go into liquidation and go out of business. But as small developers, there's a lot of research and due diligence you can do on the specific builder that you decide to use for your project. Hopefully you found this helpful. Talk to you soon.